Each blade of grass, every field, stream, and the life they sustain are part of the delicate system that is our planet. The world over, our interdependence at a more basic level goes back millions of years. The touch point for every society and every form of life is our natural world, and neglecting its care would threaten our health today and longer term, perhaps our very survival. That's why in 1951, a coalition of scientists, conservationists, and people just like the rest of us came together to form the Nature Conservancy. The Conservancy adopted a global, results-oriented approach to preserve areas crucial to the Earth's ecosystems. And right here in America's heartland, the Kansas chapter of the Nature Conservancy is working to restore and preserve the natural wonders in our heritage and our futures, as good stewards of this magical place called Kansas. It was not long ago that Kansas was teeming with flora and fauna. Magnificent herds of bison grazed in head-high tallgrass prairie, while migratory shorebirds and waterfowl fed in our lowland marshes on their seasonal journeys. There was an ebb and flow in the animal world, a natural order ensuring the survival of each. The vastness of Kansas, with its variety of plant life and waters, was fertile ground for the marvels of nature to unfold. The fertile earth of Kansas enticed settlers to build communities, farms, and ranches during the westward expansion. Over time, and through mechanized farming, Kansas became the breadbasket of our nation and the world. Huge tracts of tilled land brought forth a bounty of grains, and the prairie grasses that once sustained herds of bison began to support herds of cattle destined for America's dinner tables. Today, Kansas continues to provide for the world, as well as its own. But we have begun to ask, at what cost? As we've learned more about the interdependence of all life on Earth, we've developed an expanded awareness of the critical need to protect and nurture its vital systems. To their credit, the farmers and ranchers of Kansas have been mindful of caring for the land while producing the foodstuffs we all need. But we now know that ecosystems need space, landscape-scale tracts for plant life, which, in turn, supports animal life in healthy numbers. The Kansas chapter works with communities, businesses, and citizens to protect the areas needed to support the diverse species of flora, native and migratory wildlife, seeking to balance the needs of landowners with the needs of nature. The Conservancy's goal is to work cooperatively for the benefit of both.